Found an LPA file from an older Logic Pro project and need to access the audio? This is a legacy audio format from Apple's professional music production suite. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you recover and work with these Logic Pro legacy audio files. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single LPA file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. LPA files are legacy audio files associated with older versions of Apple Logic Pro, the professional digital audio workstation for macOS. They contain audio data or project-related audio resources from Logic Pro sessions that may have used this format in earlier iterations of the application before format standardization. Logic Pro LPA files store audio data in a format specific to older Logic Pro versions. The internal structure may contain PCM audio data with session metadata references, linking the audio to specific project tracks, regions, and processing chains within the Logic Pro editing environment. The standard opener for LPA is known to be Apple Logic Pro X, developed by Apple Inc. To access all data streams, audio-video subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows plays the audio, but advanced manipulation like equalization or restoration requires proper software. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your LPA file and choose Open With. Test with Apple Logic Pro X first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. When your LPA file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Let's quickly diagnose the core issue. Before we implement the universal tool, here are the technical causes that lead to this persistent LPA problem. First, opening in Logic Pro. Launch the current version of Logic Pro on macOS and attempt to open the LPA file or the parent Logic Pro project that references it. Modern Logic Pro maintains backward compatibility with many legacy project formats and may convert the audio data automatically during project migration. Next, converting audio data. If Logic Pro does not directly import the LPA file, try renaming the extension to common audio formats like AIF or WAV and opening in an audio player or editor. Some legacy Logic Pro audio files use standard audio encoding with a non-standard extension. QuickTime Player or Audacity may also detect the audio format. Finally, recovering from projects. Locate the complete Logic Pro project folder that contains the LPA file. Open the project in Logic Pro, which manages all associated audio files within the project bundle. Logic Pro resolves file references and presents the audio within the project timeline where it can be bounced to standard AIFF or WAV format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.